Hala, bumalik siya. Sabi niya sa akin na yung flight mo ay cancel daw. Para, Celine! Celine! It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, guys. Kakagising lang ng ating baby girl from her nap. Sobrang saya niya, oh. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah? If you're happy, anak, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Ow.
If you're happy, you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you're... Kakauwi lang din ni Ate Paris tsaka ni Daddy Mike. From...
We went to the other coffee shop. We went to 2 coffee shops.
Did you? And you didn't get me any?
No.
I just didn't want to.
Meh! How was your sleep, Ling?
Good.
Gentle with Lini, no?
Good.
Lini, how was your sleep?
Good.
Huh? Eh...
Good.
Ito ba? Kalalala, impante kita. Oh, what is it, Bobby?
What is it?
What is it? Ah, blah, 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 blah. Ling, ah, blah, 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 blah. Where are we going, Daddy?
To the city.
Oh, going to the city. So it's 1 o'clock, guys, huh?
But we was just going to go to the pool, but it's closed. It's
That's
too
right.
wet.
Originally, gusto ni Daddy Mike na pumunta
But I
kami ng
really,
pool.
really wanted to
I
go,
agree.
but
It's raining.
We're going
So
to,
cold.
we're still going to the city to play games and watch a movie.
Awi? Ayaw kasi ni Daddy Mike sayangin yung araw today. Yesterday, Sabado, naglinis kami ng bahay. Like, na buong araw naman. But most of the day. Kaya ngayon, gusto ni Daddy Mike na umalis kami. So, it looks very gloomy outside. Madilim, umuulan kagabi. Was it raining last night, Daddy?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Very heavy.
Yesterday and today. So, nakabihis na si mami nyo. Nakapaghilamos na. I curled my hair. Ayan. O, diba? Pero hindi na ako naglagay ng makeup. Ay, ano lang, ang tawag ito, nagkilay ako, guys. O, dinowing ko ang aking... dinowing ko ang aking kilay. Ayan. Yung i-ready na lang natin ngayon ay ang ating baby Celine. Bihisa na ang baby Celine natin. Hey, para makaalis na kami. Kasi anong oras na? Careful na. Wait. Gentle na. Titi. Wait, don't scream on her ear, no. Yes? What do you want to say? Huh? Ay, flying kiss na lang sa tita and tito. Flying kiss. Here, in the camera. Here. Baba, here. Flying kiss.
Okay, Mama.
Let's go.
Mwah, 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 mwah. Yes, happy girl. Bibihisan ko muna to, guys.
Daddy,
Para makaalis na.
Wow.
Bye-bye. Lini girl, where are you going? Huh? I have to put nice clothes on you.
say I have to change.
Huh? You have to... Ay! Are you okay?
Yeah.
You have to change your clothes now so we can go. She's alright now.
No, I'm...
Ay, dance! Ay, just. Tingnan niya mukha. Dance to Daddy's music. Hey! Dance! Clap! Clap! Where are you going? Huh? Alright, let's go. Let us go. Hold Mommy's hand.
I'm just gonna have...
Whoa. Labas na kami, tita and tito. Hi, Lingling. Hello, Malingling. Mahaba na ang bangs ng ating baby girl. Hi, where are you going? So, nilalagay lang ni Daddy Mike yung ating pram sa sasakyan. And we are going. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, pupunta daw kami doon. Where do you wanna go? Do you wanna go? With ate? Careful, please. Careful. So, pupunta daw kami doon sa Korean restaurant kung saan kami pumunta. Remember nung sa mga nakasubaybay sa vlogs natin. So, anak ka, anak! Oh gosh, dirty baby girl! You don't just sit down, noong sa city pa kami nagstay, nung bago kaming dumating dito sa Brisbane. So, may pinuntahan kami na Korean restaurant. Ang gusto ni Daddy Mike na balikan. Kasi nagugutom na rin kami, guys. It's 1 o'clock. We want something to eat. Isn't that right, Ling Ling? It's not raining anymore. And it's not very cold. Kahit nasabi sa forecast 18 degrees today, but it doesn't feel like it. Nagsuot pa ako ng, sweater. Ayan. Pero naka miniskirt. Ayan, so ito yung outfit ni mami niyo today. And ito sa mga kiddos. Ayan, tingnan niyo, gusto na talaga niyang maglakad. Yan ang pa-outfit ng ating Ate Paris. Diba, show me? May pa-emo-emo man na siya, eh. How about you, Lingbe? Mommy will show your outfit, be. So, this is Selene's fit today. Hi! How are you, my love? Tingnan niyo. Oh, shush! Up, up! You right? You right? Up na, up. Ay, mamunit man og sagbot.
Mommy, I see poo.
Well, that's not poo, anak.
What is it?
Oh, something from that tree. Oh,
Maybe that's a poo.
it's not a poo.
Maybe it's a poo like a birdie poo down there.
Oh, it's not a poo like you.
What is it?
Come on, come on. The daddy turned the car on now. Oh, come on now. Let's go, kiddos. Let's go. Go. If you're happy and you know, Ate Paris will hold you. Wala, ayaw niyang magpahawak. Come on, hala. It's okay na. We have another one independent child. Ayaw magpatulong. Oh!
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl.
We're here now. The Korean restaurant in the middle of the city. Binigyan nila kami ng high chair, guys. Pero sabi ko, ito na lang yung uupuan kasi I don't think she likes high chair. Yan na lang yung karamihan gagamitin. Yan, pinapanood para hindi iiyak. Makakain kami. So, very quick lang ang aming pag-order, guys. Mabilisan yung pag-order namin, guys, kasi close na daw yung kanilang kitchen very soon. So, pagkarating namin dito ay tinignan ka agad, quick order. And, yeah, so ayun ang pag-order na. I'm very hungry. And alam niyo naman kung gaano ka-love yung Korean soup. So, yung in-order ko, beef rib soup with rice. And what did you get, Daddy?
Spicy pork and rice.
Spicy pork and rice. Wala, tingnan niyo. May soup.
It's our Paris, I can't see it, so I
What's wrong, anak? Just drink water. Drink water. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
It's not this way.
Are we gonna play games after?
It's not here. It's here.
Are we gonna play games after, or are you too tired?
We'll check it, okay?
Are we gonna play games after, or is your time too short? Are we gonna play games after, or is your time too short?
Mine's not sore. It's just right here, not hurting.
Okay, what? Get your iced tea.
My beef rib soup ay nandito na. Ayan. Perfect for this kind of weather, guys. Maulan. Pagatas na rin. Oh, it looks so yummy. Hindi ko in-order yung spicy kasi gusto ko yung pakain rin kay Baby Celine. Naubos na yata yung tubig niya eh. Thirsty, anak? Nini? Manapikit, guys.
Yeah. I'll grab 1 peach iced tea,
With some peach iced tea,
1 Coke Zero,
one no sugar,
and we get one more steamed rice if that's okay.
one extra thin rice. Yes.
Thank you.
우여가 혹시 나올 때 나 25번에
Where's that song coming from?
Yeah.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl.
This way, Daddy. So we're on our way to the game place now, guys. Very excited lang ating mga Paris. Daddy might stop there for a quick, pagwapo. Magpa-thread siya ng kanyang kilay. Show me, Daddy.
Bottom. Huh?
Show me your eyebrow.
That does my it's oily. And it sweats.
Oh. Ako si mami niyo, walang kilay, guys. Hi, Nak. Ana. Oh. Oh, here, Ate Paris. So, nasa Meyer kami sa city. And,
Shut up, Anna.
this is up to level 3 only, Daddy. Is that the...
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Funhouse Family Entertainment. And level 3.
I'm so excited to play games.
Are you?
Paris loves games.
I know.
Woohoo! Lamay Daiso pala sila dyan, no?
Come on.
Go.
Go! Ay, paslakan nga bata. Oh, Funhouse! First time namin dito.
Where should we go to?
Ha?
Where should we go to?
Come here.
We'll see.
Which one do you want to go?
That's for the movie.
Which one do you want to go?
Toilet first.
What's in here? Oh, it's a little bit cold here, Nakya. Lolly. Stuff toys. Ang mata ni Paris na nag-heart-heart, So we got a $50 one, guys. Tignan natin kung kailan. Hanggang kailan mauubos ang ating $50 dito.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
See, this one is $2. Oh, ito ay sleepy na, oh. Ay, Paris, what was that, Nak?
She did it. 100.
You got 100?
Oh, I'll do it.
Did it work? Oh, no. We must go faster daw. Akala ko 100 na
I
ka.
got 100.
Well done, Paris. 50! Yeah!
I got 100.
This one.
Well done.
100.
The same sa laro doon sa, guys, ang tawag doon? SeaWorld. SeaWorld. Dream World.
Game's over. You'll do better next time.
Look at the cars now. Maybe the other way around, Mom. There you go. Alright, Paris, ready? Come on, quick, quick!
Are we gonna get all of them?
I don't know, you didn't read the instructions.
Get it.
Enjoy yung tatay mo na.
Wow.
What's it? Dali, I think it's a thing only, Bob. The hammer. Reading time. Ron Paris. Dalihan ka sa imong papa na. Deal or no deal?
Top winners can try the Mega Spin to go for the top prize. New bonus, new rules, and the Mega Spin. The new Deal or No Deal Deluxe. Play the new Deal or No Deal Deluxe.
Did you follow, Bob?
Which one do you want, Paris?
What number would you like, Paris? We didn't look, Bob, at first.
Quick, what number?
We have to choose.
15?
You chose case number 15. Now, 5 cases.
Okay, number 14.
Wow, well done, Paris.
Yeah, 11. You can only pick that small number.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, well done, buddy.
Okay.
I'll go with the bunker's calling.
There's the game. I'll tell you. Here.
No deal.
No deal.
No deal. Time check tayo, guys. It's 6:25 ng gabi at ngayon lang kami nakauwi. Actually, mga 10 minutes na rin. Ayan. So, gabi na. Tinry namin na umuwi habang ito ay parang sleepy na ba ang ating baby Celine. Ay, hindi naman siya natulog sa sasakyan. Pero si Ate Paris yung nakatulog. Careful, Ate. Don't step on her, Ate. Pero si ating baby Celine na hindi nakatulog. So, siguro ito siya. Matutulog na ito siya pagtulog niya talaga sa gabi. Paris is having show. What are you having?
This is really long.
Chicken. Paris is having chicken. So, hindi ako kanina dapat ma-share ako sa inyo ba? Kaya lang, hindi ako nakapag-share na nandun kami sa Korean restaurant. Kasi, maingay. At sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa food. Kaya, hindi na ako nakapag-chika, guys.
The chicken is from a McDonald's.
Ah, but look. That's not all McDonald's.
No. A trick.
Is that a trick? Okay, a trick only. electric only. So, yung isi-share ko pala sa inyo ay, we are going to the Philippines on... In the morning. 1st of January. So, New Year's Day, yung biyahe namin papuntang Pinas. So, kung nanood kayo ng previous vlogs namin, initially, yung nabook namin na ticket is for Ate Paris lang and for me, kasi yun yung travel fund namin sa Cebu Pacific from flight namin sa 2020 na na-cancel. So, dapat sana March yung, ano tawag dito, yung uwi namin kasi, yun yung binook namin. But then, na-change to siya to January kasi, alam niyo guys, nakalimutan namin, hindi nakalimutan, parang, I didn't realize na yung, ito palang ating Ate Paris ay mag-school na next year. Come here. So, she's going to big school next year, but yung school niya ay yung klase niya mag-start ng 23rd of January. So, yung unang ticket namin na nabook was for March. And nakausap namin yung teacher, guys. Sabi naman ng teacher, it's okay na kahit wala siya, parang wala siya for 3 weeks. Yes,
is that the film we're watching?
Huh?
The film we're watching?
Yes, Lola Vilma watching. Lola Vilma is always watching. So, okay lang naman daw na mag-holiday kami sa Pinas. We'll take Paris for 3 weeks. Bibigyan lang daw nila si Paris ng activity, something to do para hindi siya mahuli sa klase. Sige, anak ko, go. Sige na ko. Make sure she's fine.
She's okay.
Then, have a look na.
It's okay. It's the 8th.
We decided na instead of March, ay gagawin na lang namin ng January. Kasi yung klase nila ay mag-start ng 23rd of Jan. So, kailangan before the 23rd ay makabalik na kami dito. So, we decided na mag-book ng ticket from the 1st kasi walang biyahe towards the end of December. So, 1st of January lang. Tapos, uuwi kami dito on the 21st. So, balik kami sa Brisbane. 22nd. So, since nandito na naman yung passports ni Daddy tsaka ni Baby Celine, so, tinawagan ko yung Cebu Pacific. Kasi gusto kong i-clear sa kanila kung, gusto kong itanong sa kanila kung pwede ba na mag-add ng passengers sa existing booking. So, yung booking namin ni Ate Paris. Lini? What are you doing? And then, 2 days, tumawag ako sa kanila, guys. Wala mang sumasagot. Always na on hold ako ba? Kaya, I gave up. So, yung ginawa ko, nag-search ako sa Google. Sabi naman doon na hindi daw pwede na mag-add ka ng pasahero sa existing na booking. Dapat daw mag-book ka separately. Ganun. So, yung ginawa ko, nag-message na lang ako sa Facebook. Buti na lang may tinlike ko yung Cebu Pacific na Facebook Messenger. So, may nag-assist sa akin doon. And then, alam niyo ba guys, sobra akong... Yes, anak, sabi. Sit here. Sabi niyo, oo. Pag-ibig.
I like my gummy snake. I will show my gummy snake. What's my gummy snake, Mommy? What's my gummy snake? Wow, it was there before.
So, sobra akong na-shock, guys. So, sinabi nung kausap ko sa, Cebu Pacific na messenger. Kasi, alam niyo ba yung sinabi niya sa akin na, tinanong niya muna kung ano yung booking reference number. So, ayun, binigay ko. Hala, bumalik siya, sabi niya sa akin na, yung flight mo ay cancel daw. Sabi ko, wala man ako natanggap na email or anything na nagsasabi na canceled yung flight ko. Sabi nila, due to, parang nag-change ng flights and whatnot. So, kaya kinansel nila yung flight. Sabi ko, alam niyo ba kung hindi ako nagtanong kung okay lang na yung flight namin ay sa March. Like, I will never know na na-cancel pala yung ticket, guys. Kasi nga, wala daw silang flight that day, yung original na booking ko. Oh my God, sabi ko, Jesus Christ. Uy, buti na lang nagtanong ako, guys. Sabi nila, you can get a refund. Otherwise, yum. You can get like you can convert it to travel fund once again. Where's it?
You get some bubble on the treats after the chickens.
Yeah, alala, Celine is eating the chicken, anak. Nah, you have to eat it first, anak, before I give it back to you. Hi. Hala, tita and tito's watching and they're like, why is Paris like that? Naughty. Mommy. Bite. Little bit only, anak. Not choke, anak. Little bit. Oh, I have this one for Nabi. So sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, what if refund? Tanong natin kung refund kasi nagtingin si Daddy Mike ng ibang ang tawag ito. Tawag to ibang airline. Tinignan ni Daddy Mike. Tinanong ko kung kung magpapa-refund ako, gaano katagal. Kasi obviously, kailangan natin yung pera na pangbili ng ticket. Hala, alam niyo ba sabi, guys? Ano daw? Dalawang billing daw yun. So, it means 2 months bago makuha yung refund. Hala, so 2 months pa tayo mag-book ng ticket. Nabuang na. So, sabi ko, what if travel fund? Sabi naman niya, kung travel fund, instant daw yun. So, yun na lang yung ginawa namin, guys. Travel fund na lang. So, kaming, parang blessing in disguise na rin sa amin yun. Kasi, cancel, sila yung nag-cancel. So, kailangan din naman talaga, gusto ko din naman talagang i-cancel yun. Kasi gusto kong magkasama kaming 4 sa isang booking, diba? So, yeah, parang blessing in disguise na rin. Kasi, that way, nag-book ako ulit ng ticket, travel fund na lang, nag-book ng ticket ulit, tapos magkasama na kaming 4. So, that's it's very, very good. But then, since yung uwi namin ay 1st of January, parang peak season ata yan, guys. So, medyo mahal siya compared sa yung parang normal days lang ba. So, yung pauwi, cheaper siya, pero yung papunta doon, guys, kasi nga, January 1, medyo may presyo siya. But, you know what? I'm just very happy na nabook na natin lahat no? Ang ticket. So, yung ticket na nabook namin is, international muna. Yung mga domestic, hindi pa namin nabook. You can always do that. Pag, malapit na yung flight. But yeah, so glad that we got the ticket now and we are all set to go on the first.
I want to sit here.
Sure. Are you excited to see Lola, nak? Ang lolo, ang tito, ang tita?
Yeah.
Anak, stand up, nak.
No, I want to
Yeah.
sit here.
Okay, ginoo ko. Wow. There you go. So, it will be Lini's first time sa Philippines, and then it's Ate Paris' second time. You've been to the Philippines before, nak? Can you still remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Paris was only 10 months nung dinala namin siya ng Pinas. Okay. So this time, she's nearly 5 when we go, nak.
Mommy,
Big girl.
when we go to the Philippines, I'm going to be 5 years old.
Just less than 5. Hey, come down now. Silly, wanna go down. Careful. Persico, eat your chicken, anak. Celine is eating it all now.
Where is it?
Tapos yung flight pa namin guys is from Sydney to Manila kasi walang direct flight from Brisbane. Kailangan pa namin bumiyahe from Brisbane to Sydney and then Sydney to Manila. Yung original namin na flight before nung 2020 is direct yun from Melbourne to Manila. Kasi may flight na diretsyo doon. Wala sa Brisbane. So, yeah! We're going to stay in the Philippines for 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks talaga kasi biyahe kami pa uwi dito on 21st. Super exciting! Hopefully, ang tawag dito, ma-meet ko yung iba sa inyo sa Maynila kami. For now ha, yung initial plano namin sa Manila kami for 1 week before kami tutuloy sa Mindanao. So, hopefully, yung mga taga Maynila dyan or kahit sa sana ma-meet namin kayo. If ever lang naman na magka-cross yung landas natin.